Welcome to the Nature Puppetry online as an educator. Kids love puppets and storytelling. Three tips of goods. The puppet ends up taking their own personality, interest in the needs. To build, to bring or not to bring. Shoe and overcome challenges. For example, how do we cope when someone The seashells that we find at the seashore were formed by sea snails. Today, those shells serve as home for small crabs. When time goes by, the seashells break into sand, and the calcium in them goes back to the water and help other animals to build their skeleton.